This project explores the history of atmospheric change as a result of the development of radio communication technology, network engineering, and meteorological satellite technology. From physical space to virtual platforms, the environmental information generated by machine vision and radio communication technology is changing the way we perceive the atmosphere. To make this installation, I had a 4-part practice. Part 1 is the ground and aerial signal reception in London. Working with electrical engineering and communication engineering students, I used SDR equipment to receive the signals from the weather satellites in transit. Now decoding weather satellite signals. Generate meteorological cloud maps. The white line of the glitch in the cloud map is generated by the interference of signals from other radio communication devices. It reveals the unstable vibration state from the cloud layer. Part 2 Exploration and study of radio spectrum distribution, altitude and frequency in UK, London, airspace. As well as identifying daily communication signals that interfere with weather satellite signals, for example, network signals, radio station signals, amateur radio observation signals, etc. For this reason, I am participating in the Open Data Institute Roundtable on Global Radio Communication Signals and Satellite Data Sharing. In the video on the left, the artist in residence here uses a memory metal alloy to make a prototype that is related to signal data transmission and temperature. Part 3 Design of interactive installations and programming tests and material experiments based on UK airspace radio frequency spectrum map. Interaction principle. When holding a communication device close to a signal distribution mapping installation, the emission of the signal is triggered and the speed and density of the signal transmission are visually presented. The higher the number of nearby electronic communication devices that trigger a denser signal, the faster the rate. Part 4 This presence sensor testing and vibration module trigger effect. Pre-show and audience test. Pre-show adding sound system. Thanks for watching.